In front of me is Blackshark Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll to tap on Display section available here, and then scroll again, this time to click on over here, on Display Size and Text. Now operate this slider under font size to adjust it, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, my changes were automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!